Look at this.
When we look at the ocean, we see the surface, but most of the sea is down below. Now, to travel around down there, you need some pretty special equipment, like this. It's a submarine.
Dive, dive.
There are 160 people on a submarine like this one, and they're underwater for months at a time. So there's no way for us to take all the air we need with us. So we make our own. See, it's a chemistry problem. Water is H2O. It's 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen. This electrolysis machine uses electricity to separate liquid water into 2 gases. Hydrogen gas that we bubble overboard, and oxygen that we breathe. See, this is a submarine. I mean, there's no shortage of water. I mean, we're surrounded by water. It's everywhere.
Take a look at this.
Hi, I'm standing on a hill in New Mexico, 1,100 kilometers from the nearest ocean. You say, what does this have to do with ocean exploration? Only this. These are seashells, fossils of living things that lived in the ocean when this used to be part of the ocean floor. So here's what happened. The tectonic plates that make up the Earth's crust were shifted, and the ocean floor got pushed up on top of another plate and became dry land. See? And the fossils are right here where we can find them. And you know what else? See those clouds? Those are full of water. That water didn't come from around here. This is the Chihuahuan Desert. That water came from the ocean. See, the ocean affects everything all over the world. So those clouds and these fossils are 2 big reasons we've got to continue to explore the ocean so we know how it's going to change in the future.
To learn how to dive safely, you always have to learn from a qualified teacher, and you learn in a pool.
This is a regulator, which allows you to breathe underwater. This is the purge button, which allows free flow of air.
The pressure gauge tells you how much air you have, and it also tells you how deep you are.
Always dive with the button.
You have to explore all of the possibilities that may occur. I mean, you don't know what's going to happen out there, and if you're really deep underwater and something goes wrong, you have to know what to do.
Before there was scuba, there were diving bells. They work like this. Pretend this little candy person on a stick is you. Or drop you in a tank of water, look what happens. See, that's not good, because you're dead. But, say I put the person in a diving bell, like this. Now watch what happens. Air stays in the glass and pushes against the water, which keeps it dry and helps you breathe underwater. This glass is just like a real diving bell, except it's a lot smaller.
We have knowledge liftoff.